Hello friends, today I am here to discuss about all the information regarding SOF IGKO. That means SOF International General Knowledge Olympiad Class 1. I will discuss all the information like books, question papers, how to prepare for the exam, tips and tricks, OMR sheet, etc. Now first I am showing the books. You can buy this book for preparation. The book is by Oswaal, General Knowledge Class 1. I am showing you the inside of the book and the syllabus. The book is so colorful and interesting. This is the syllabus. Me, me and others in my world, plants and animals, art and its environment, our country and the world, science and technology, sports and entertainment, language and literature, number magic, life skill, current affairs. There are two sample pictures. I am showing you the inside of the book. You can see the book is very colorful. There are some theoretical part, discussion, and then there are questions. Level 1 and level 2 questions. And there are achiever sections question. But one thing is clear that in SOF IGKO there is no level 2 examination for class 1. There is only one exam and it is final. And after each chapter there are answer keys and explanations also. You can see the pictures are so clear and beautiful. These are some important places or important famous monuments of the world, famous persons of the world, some flags of different countries, some famous authors with their book name, and there are stories also, famous children books in short, like Goldilocks, Snow White, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and there are some famous rhymes. Now the child should go through this one. This is reasoning workbook by MTG. You should remember that in every IGKO Olympiad exam there are some reasoning part. So this book is very much required. I am showing you the contents, patterns, measuring units, geometrical shapes, odd one out, special understanding, grouping, analogy, and ranking test. Hints and explanations are given. The book is so much interesting, so colorful, and you can see some small maths are also there in the explanation. And one important part is that OMR sheets are provided in this book, so a child can practice. As the child is in class 1 and he or she is appearing for the exam for the first time, so you should teach him well about the OMR sheet. If the answer of 1 is B, you should teach that he or she have to circle this, darken this B. Which one is the answer? The child should darken the answer. You should teach him well and practice. He or she should practice in this paper sheet. Now this one book. This is the question papers, previous year question papers and mock test. This book is by Swastik Book Box for class 1 general knowledge. The book is not interesting or colorful, but the book is good. There are previous year questions and some mock test questions. You can see this. Now I will show you the question paper. You can see the question paper. Total marks 35, time 1 hour. But total, sorry, I am very sorry. Total questions 35 and our time 1 hour. Total marks 40. You can see the question paper. First there is general awareness, then current affairs, life skills, and achiever section. In achiever section there are 5 questions and each question carries 2 marks, and the other parts each question carries 1 mark only. This is the question pattern. Now the tips and tricks and how to prepare. The child have to identify the famous persons, famous monuments, important dates. How to make your child remember this? You can make this type of printouts, so he or she can see the printouts and remember. You can just stick the papers on your almirah or on your fridge by magnet, so that he can always see the pictures. For important dates, you can also do like this. In my almirah there is a chart like this. You can also stick the famous persons charts on the almirah, or you can do another thing, that you can make some folders in your phone for famous person, for monuments, for games, like that, and child can scroll the images and go through these images for preparation. By this way you can prepare your child for the examination. All the best.